Fire is one of the most powerful forces in nature, capable of destruction and transformation. Most fires eventually burn out when they run out of fuel or oxygen. But around the world, there are places where flames have been burning for decades or even centuries without stopping. These mysterious, never-ending fires are fueled by underground coal seams, natural gas, or even volcanic activity. Some have burned for so long that they have reshaped entire landscapes and become legendary. Let's explore the top 10 places where fire has been burning for decades without stopping and the science behind them. First on the list is Centralia, Pennsylvania, one of the most infamous underground fires in the world. In 1962, a coal mine fire started beneath the small town of Centralia. The fire was caused by burning trash in an abandoned mine pit, which ignited a coal seam underground. Since then, it has been burning for over 60 years with no sign of stopping. The fire created massive sinkholes, spewing toxic gases and making the town uninhabitable. Over time, most of Centralia's residents were forced to evacuate, turning it into a modern ghost town. Smoke still rises from the cracks in the ground, a haunting reminder of the fire that refuses to die. Experts estimate that the coal reserves underground could keep it burning for another 250 years. Next is Darvaza gas crater, also known as the Gates of Hell, in Turkmenistan. This massive crater has been burning continuously since 1971 after a failed drilling operation. Soviet geologists accidentally punctured a natural gas pocket, causing the ground to collapse. To prevent toxic gas from spreading, they decided to set it on fire, expecting it to burn out in a few days. Instead, the crater has been burning non-stop for over 50 years. Its eerie glow can be seen from miles away, attracting adventurous tourists from around the world. Despite several proposals to extinguish it, the fire still rages, making it one of the most unusual fire sites on Earth. Third on our list is Jharaya coalfield in India, home to one of the longest burning coal fires in history. Fires have been burning in Jharaya for over 100 years, fueled by vast coal deposits underground. The fire has caused severe land subsidence, destroying homes and forcing thousands of people to relocate. Thick smoke and toxic gases fill the air, making it one of the most hazardous places to live. Despite efforts to control the blaze, new fires continue to emerge as underground coal seams ignite. Jharaya is a stark reminder of the dangers of uncontrolled mining and underground fires. Next is Smoking Hills in Canada, a place where fire has been burning naturally for centuries. Located in the Northwest Territories, these hills contain large deposits of bituminous shale. The shale contains high levels of sulfur, which spontaneously combusts when exposed to oxygen. As a result, the hills have been continuously emitting smoke and fire for hundreds of years. Early explorers thought they had discovered volcanic activity, but the fires are purely chemical in nature. Even today, the hills continue to burn, creating an otherworldly landscape of smoldering rocks. Another incredible fire site is Mount Wingan, also known as the Burning Mountain, in Australia. This underground coal fire has been burning for an estimated 6,000 years, making it the longest continuously burning fire on Earth. It is believed that a lightning strike or spontaneous combustion ignited the coal seam thousands of years ago. Indigenous Australians knew of the fire long before European explorers arrived and considered it sacred. Unlike other coal fires, this one burns very slowly, moving about 3 feet per year beneath the surface. Over thousands of years, it has left a trail of scorched earth and changed the local landscape. Sixth on the list is Brennender Berg, or Burning Mountain, in Germany. This underground coal fire in Saarland has been burning for at least 300 years. It was first documented in the 17th century and has continued smoldering ever since. Despite numerous efforts to extinguish it, the fire persists, hidden beneath the rocky terrain. The slow, underground burn has reshaped parts of the mountain, leaving signs of heat damage on the surface. Brennender Berg is a rare example of a naturally occurring underground coal fire in Europe. Next, we have Yanyardas, also known as the Flaming Rocks of Turkey. For thousands of years, flames have been emerging from the ground in this mountainous region. The flames are caused by natural methane gas leaks that ignite upon contact with air. Ancient sailors believed the flames were a divine beacon, and the area was linked to Greek mythology. The fire has been burning for over 2,500 years, making it one of the longest-lasting natural fires in history. Today, it remains a popular tourist attraction and a site of archaeological interest. Eighth on our list is Kuwait's oil field fires, which were set during the Gulf War in 1991. As Iraqi forces retreated from Kuwait, they set over 600 oil wells on fire. The fires created massive plumes of black smoke, blocking out sunlight and affecting the climate. Some of these fires burned for several years before being brought under control. The devastation was one of the worst environmental disasters caused by war. Even decades later, some areas in the region still show signs of damage from the fires. Next is Cerro Negro, a volcanic region in Venezuela that has been burning for decades. This area is rich in oil and tar deposits that have been igniting naturally for years. Some believe the fires were initially sparked by lightning or seismic activity. The flames burn beneath the surface, occasionally flaring up in dramatic bursts. Local legends describe the region as a cursed land where the earth itself is on fire. Finally, we have the eternal fire of Baba Gurgur, located in Iraq. This natural gas field has been burning for at least 4,000 years, making it one of the oldest continuous fires on Earth. Ancient civilizations, including the Babylonians and Persians, considered it sacred. It is believed that the fire was referenced in ancient texts, including the Old Testament. The flames are fueled by massive underground gas reserves that continue to feed the fire. Even today, the eternal flames of Baba Gurgur remain a symbol of Iraq's vast oil and gas resources. These 10 places prove that fire can persist for far longer than we might expect. Some were started by human activity, while others are natural phenomena that have burned for centuries. These never-ending fires remind us of the immense power stored beneath the Earth's surface. They also serve as warnings about the dangers of uncontrolled mining and fossil fuel extraction. Scientists continue to study these burning sites to understand their long-term effects on the environment. Whether caused by coal, gas, or chemical reactions, these fires refuse to be extinguished. Their eerie and haunting presence has inspired myths, legends, and scientific curiosity for generations. Some fires, like those in Centralia and Jiraiya, have forced entire communities to relocate. Others, like Baba Gurgur and Yanyardas, have become historic landmarks with deep cultural significance. The earth is full of hidden fires, burning beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed learning about these never-ending fires, follow for more fascinating insights into Earth's mysteries. Nature never ceases to amaze, and the more we explore, the more incredible phenomena we uncover. Stay curious, stay inspired, and continue exploring the wonders of our ever-burning planet.